Hello everyone, and welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into a tool that has made a significant impact in the world of electrical work, the Klein Tools 3005CR Wire Crimper Tool. If you're looking for a reliable and efficient crimping tool, then stick around, because this could just be the best Klein crimping pliers on the market. Now, before we jump into the details, let me give you a brief overview of what makes the Klein Tools 3005CR stand out. This ratcheting insulated terminal crimper is designed to crimp wire sizes ranging from 10 to 22 Aruban florins, making it a versatile choice for professionals and DIY enthusiasts alike. With over 7,900 ratings averaging 4.7 stars, it's clear that this tool has won the hearts of many users. Let's explore some of the features that set this crimper apart from the competition. The first thing you'll notice is its adjustable compound action design. This unique feature allows you to put more crimping power into each squeeze, ensuring a consistent and secure crimp every time. No more worrying about unreliable connections. The Klein Tools 3005CR also comes with 3 crimping cavities built right into the tool. You have color-coded cavities for different wire sizes. Red for 22-16 Aruban florins, blue for 16-14 Aruban florins, and yellow for 12-10 Aruban florins terminals. This thoughtful design makes it easy to identify the correct cavity for your specific needs, saving you time and hassle during your projects. Another standout feature is the built-in ratchet mechanism, which ensures a full-cycle crimping process. This guarantees a uniform crimp each and every time, reducing the chances of any inconsistencies in your work. The unique cavity design allows for a consistent crimp from either side of the tool, adding to its versatility. Comfort is crucial when working with tools for extended periods, and Klein has delivered on this front as well. The dual-material molded grips provide added comfort, reducing hand fatigue during use. Whether you're tackling a large project or a series of smaller tasks, this crimper feels great in your hands. One more noteworthy feature is the adjustable force dial. This allows you to customize the amount of force applied to the crimp, making it adaptable for various materials and terminal types. So, is the Klein Tools 3005CR Wire Crimper Tool the best Klein crimping pliers available? From its robust construction to its innovative features, it certainly appears to be a top contender. For anyone working with electrical wiring, be it professionals in the field or DIYers at home, this tool offers an exceptional blend of performance, comfort, and ease of use. If you're ready to enhance your toolkit with a crimper that delivers reliable results, the Klein Tools 3005CR is a fantastic choice. You can find this tool online at a reasonable price, usually around $29.97, with shipping options available. Thank you for joining us today on Product Critique. If you found this review helpful, please give us a thumbs up and subscribe for more tool reviews and insights. Until next time, happy crimping!